What is going on? TCG Senju here, and today we are going to be opening the Vivid Voltage booster box. There is actually 36 packs in here, and yesterday's video I said I think there might be at least 2 guaranteed amazing rares. We pulled one of the amazing rares yesterday right here. Not the most expensive one, but one of the cool ones in my opinion. And we're just going to see what we can get today. Hopefully we can get that Rayquaza amazing rare and maybe Jirachi. Or hopefully we can maybe get that Pikachu hyper rare. Let's get into the opening of this. I might have to use a knife for this. Break the seal. This is the first booster box I have ever purchased, and this was all for Vivid Voltage. I had anticipated Vivid Voltage from the moment I heard its release, just because it being the first set to introduce amazing rares. Oh my god, could I peel this any more slower? It's the first set to introduce amazing rares into the US. So that is interesting. I have high hopes for this set, and I do think it might have a good return value later on. Not as big as Hidden Fates and Champion's Path, which recently just came out, but I do believe it can be up there. Alright, let's take out these. Oh my god, this is loaded. Let's take out half. I think for today's video we're going to only do half of the booster box, and then we'll do the other half tomorrow. Being my first booster box, how do I do this? So I push out from up here. Pardon me as I struggle to figure out how to pop this bad boy open. Oh my god. There we go. Bent. Let us take our packs that we have, and just to make sure they weren't organized in a certain way, let us just give me a moment. Let's move this. Let's just shuffle them. Try not to throw these ones too hard. I don't want to ruin the quality if there is a good card. There is a lot of packs. This is the biggest unboxing I have done so far. I believe that is even. Let us work with this pile that is in front of me for today, and then tomorrow we can unbox the other side. Let's stuff these back in. I'm not even going to worry about stuffing them back in. Let us start with the right today. Hopefully we can pull something good. Maybe pull something good on our first pack. Have some first pack magic. Let's see. I was told yesterday in the video I uploaded to cover the QR code on the code cards, just because with people scanning them, I guess there might be a way that they have software that can just scan them automatically. So from now on, I'm going to try my best to cover the QR code for you guys at home. And if that code card helps you, I am glad that I helped you with your luck, or with your online TCG. Leaf Energy, Mightyena, Beauty, Stone Energy, Drillbur, Oshawott, Duskull, Ferroseed, Riolu, Poochyena as the reverse, and Banette as the regular rare. Let's put our reverses right here. And our pile of cards will just go next to Barney. So far it looks like I haven't got any new cards. I added the cards I got yesterday into my master set, and I have made some progress, but haven't made much. There's the code card. 4 to the front, guessing Water Energy. Electric, oh, yikes. Electric. Bee or Bay, whatever her name is. The giraffe Pokemon with the Chomp Chomp on its tail. That one I did get. Moo Moo Cheese, haven't gotten that yet, too. Clefairy, Wailmer, Dynamo, Execute, Chatot, Dialga Reverse, ooh, and Groplock Regular. Regular Rare is what I meant to say. Let's get into pack number 3. I hope I'm opening up 16 packs. I hope I didn't cut it short and not do a little less than 16. How many did I do? I've done 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, we're going to get one extra. QR code. And 4 to the front. Guess Fire Energy. Psychic. Moo Moo Cheese. Sableye. Galvantula. Cottony. Might not have this card. Arrokuda. Nincada. Picky Peck. Poochyena. Wash Energy Reverse, and Garbodor Rare. Not looking good so far. Let's try a pack from the right side. Code card. Let's guess. Steel Energy. Fighting. Duat. Opal. Matang. Clefairy. Phanpy, yeah. Yanma. Galarian Meowth. Duskull. Drone Rotom, and Quagsire. Oh my god, not looking good. Not looking good. Am I gonna get one holo card from this set besides that amazing rare? I have not gotten a good rare card. Oh, well, I already spoiled the code, so I know this isn't gonna be good. There's the code card. Energy, Psychic. Steel. Should have guessed Steel. Charmeleon. Don't know if I have that. Pinchurin. Churchin. Trumbeak. Seedot. Electrike. Clefairy. Phanpy. Yanma. Oh my god. Another Zamazenta Amazing Rare. How is it looking? Alright, I don't care about you, Xcloud. You're not the star on this. Oh my god, another one. The centering, I don't know if it's just me, but on the top it doesn't look perfect. But it's always good to get another amazing rare. Let us sleeve this boy up real quick. Here is our penny sleeve, and we will put him next to his brother right there. Let's try getting another one. Come on, where's all these rares at? There's all these amazing rares and these rares. I could use some more for my collection. Code card, upside down this time. That goes there. 4 to the front. Fire energy. Steel. Oh my god. Alright, we got a steel. Aromatic energy. Mightyena. That Pokemon that I probably pronounced its name wrong last time. Poochyena. Charmander. Chatot. Joltik, Cottonee, Tornadus, and what? We have a Zarude V. Our first V card from this set. Looking nice. Looking nice. I don't know if it's just this set, but oh no, it's actually every set now that I look at the cards that I have. I didn't notice the little description it has of the Pokemon on the bottom right here. I thought it was something new they just added to this set. I never really noticed that until now. Zarude V. Looks pretty good. Not too much of a fan of Zarude, but or at least I don't know him. Like, I don't know anything about the lore of that Pokemon. But, he doesn't seem that interesting compared to all the other legendaries or mythical Pokemon there are. Like, Arceus is like the Jesus of Pokemon, while Zarude is just a monkey. That's all I know. I don't know if the movie came out with him yet. Code card. But, I haven't seen it yet. I should watch it. Water Energy, Zebstrika, Excadrill, Nuzleaf, might not have that, Shuppet, Poochyena. What is that behind Poochyena? Is that graffiti of another Poochyena? Was that Poochyena caught in the act of doing a crime? Voltorb, Rockruff, Manectric, and Shaman Hollow, our first Hollow from this set. Let's put that there. Let us sleeve up this. You know what? I'll put the Hollow right here. I'll put all of our cards in viewing distance that we got. It's not gonna fit all of them. It's really gonna be hard to put all these over here. Alright. Final pack that I wanted to do. I might just open. Oh wait, no, it's not my final pack. Never mind. We still got 8 more, 10 more. Thank God. Thought I was gonna cut this short quick. Code card. We will guess Grass Energy, Dark. Make sure this is perfect. Electrike. Delmies. Stunfisk. Duskull. Electrike. Pineco. Mudbray. Stone Energy. And, ooh, a Colossal V Full Art. Here's another card to our collection. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that's one thing I just noticed. The centering, however, you could tell that the bottom border is bigger than the top border. So that's unfortunate. But however, it is a card we did not have already, so it will look good in our binder. Okay, I gotta move the stack of cards I have over here. Gotta put that first over there. Well, maybe, you know what, I'll show all these at the end of the video. Show what we pulled. They'll be right there. How many more packs left? Still a good amount. Okay,